ChatGPT suggested a trading strategy. Effective or not? Hey there, it's Kay, and welcome back to Elite Tech Royalty. Since ChatGPT can give ideas and concepts to different queries, why not ask ChatGPT for some trading strategy that can turn $100 into $10,000 fast? At first, it was giving two huge results, but after some alterations and rewording, it suggested a trading strategy. Want to know what that strategy is? Then let's get this started. I'll utilize the price of Ethereum to see if the method is effective. The ChatGPT's recommended trading approach includes 3 free trading view tools. K-nearest neighbor, a machine learning KNN-based technique, is the first indicator ChatGPT asked me to include. Using historical market data analysis and data trends, this machine learning technique forecasts the direction of future price movements. KNN is a classification algorithm that determines the class of a data point based on its proximity to other data, or the nearest neighbors in a future space. Applying this idea to the world of trading, KNN can be used to determine, based on previous data, whether a stock price is likely to move up or down. Historical price data is first gathered and converted into a feature vector before being used with KNN for trading. Technical indicators like moving averages, the relative strength index, and momentum indicators can be a part of the feature vector. The feature vectors are then subjected to the KNN algorithm, which is used to categorize whether the stock price is expected to rise or fall. The buy and sell signals are essentially printed on blue and pink labels by the indicator. Labels may have a lower or high opacity depending on the strength of the signals. But we can utilize this indicator alone because that would result in a lot of false signals. Due to this, the EMA ribbon, also known as the exponential moving average ribbon, is recommended as the next indication. A price chart with numerous exponential moving averages put on it makes up this type of trading indicator. This tool is designed to determine a market trend's strength and direction. Additionally, the EMA ribbon is produced by charting a number of EMAs with various time periods. After then, the moving averages are placed on top of one another, giving the chart a ribbon-like appearance. Now the ribbon slope tells us whether the market is an uptrend or a downtrend. When the ribbon is sloping upward, the market is uptrend and vice versa. It's also critical to realize that the EMA ribbon will assist traders in determining potential buy or sell signals based on the trend's direction and the price's position in relation to the moving averages. It's also critical to realize that the EMA ribbon will assist traders in determining potential buy or sell signals based on the trend's direction and the price's position in relation to the moving averages. Before we continue, if you've come this far in this video, give it a like, share, and subscribe, or let us know what you think in the comment section. Let's disable the machine learning KNN, which always serves as a buy and sell indicator on the chart, and then examine the behavior of EMA ribbon signals. Looking at the chart, we can see that although this indicator does filter out most false signals, some are still present. Because of this, ChatGPT advised using the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, as a backup confirmation. RSI is a tool used in trading to gauge a security's price movement strength. The RSI is typically seen as being overbought when it is above 70 and oversold when it is below 30. Our plan includes increasing the RSI's sensitivity to get more legitimate trade entries. To do that, open the indicator style and change the RSI upper band and lower band to 60 and 40 respectively. Let's now discuss the conditions that must be met for a long trade. The price must first close above the 200 EMA. Furthermore, the ribbon must be higher than 200 EMA. It also needs to be green. The price must retrace into the ribbon without closing below the long-term EMA. The next step is for the machine learning technique to print a blue label. Finally, the RSI must be towards the purchase signal. You can start a trade as soon as these requirements have been satisfied. Target 2 times the risk and place the stop loss below the most recent swing low. Once you've earned 1/4 of the profit, or just when the stop loss has reached the break-even point. To make 10 trades, for instance, you risk 5% of your account per trade. If the price goes in your favor, your unrealized profit is running at 2.5%, which is 1/4 of your target. When that occurs, adjust the stop loss to protect the trade. The beginning account balance was set at $100 for testing purposes, and after some time, the strategy by ChatGPT raised it to $19,527. It's crucial to remember that this specific method entails a little bit more risk than the typical strategy you can encounter. By now, you've surely noticed that the risk per transaction was changed from 2 to 5%. It goes without saying that such risk entails greater drawdowns, but let's not ignore the fact that you receive a greater return either. My final verdict: I'm not suggesting that you stake 5% of your account per trade, especially if your account is big. Try the technique, but don't skip the forward testing step on a paper account if your goal is to increase your small account quickly. How do you find this trading strategy suggested by ChatGPT? Will you try it? Do you think it's effective? Let us know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, click the like and share icons. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated and notified when we post videos like this one. We appreciate your time and we'll see you at the next one.